We are going to study capital budgeting techniques, which is widely used in financial management for project appraisal. The techniques for appraisal of investment proposals are listed below. First is payback period method, second is accounting rate of return, third is net present value method, profitability index method, and internal rate of return. Let's study first one, payback period method. Payback period method, you will get answer in years only. The cash inflow from a capital investment project to equal the cash outflows is nothing but if you are investing 100 rupees in a project, then in how many number of years you will get the 100 rupees back. That number of years is called as what payback period method. The method recognizes the recovery of original capital investment in the project. At payback period, the cash inflows from a project will be equal to the project cash outflows. Shortest payback period is always accepted, higher payback period is rejected, or you can simply select the lowest payback period or shortest payback period. Let's go for the second one. Accounting rate of return. It is also known as a return on investment. It measures the increase in profit expected to result from an investment by expressing the net accounting profit arising from the investment as a percentage of capital investment. Formula to calculate accounting rate of return is average annual profit after tax upon average or initial investment into 100. You can take average investment or initial investment. To calculate average investment, you can use formula initial investment plus salvage value divided by 2. Net present value method. The objective of any firm is to create wealth. To create wealth, inflows must exceed the present value of all anticipated cash outflows. The net present value is obtained by discounting all cash outflows and inflows to a capital investment project by a chosen percentage, for example, cost of capital. Higher positive net present value is accepted for the project. Lower net present value will not be accepted, but always higher net present value will be accepted. To calculate discount factor, okay, you can use formula 1 divided by 1 plus r. Thus, you will get the discount factor. Profitability index method. Profitability index is the present value of an anticipated future cash inflows divided by the initial outlay. Project offering profitability index greater than 1 must also offer a net present value which is positive, is a required one. PI is equal to present value of cash inflows upon present value of cash outlay. Thus, you can calculate the profitability index. Last one is a internal rate of return. It is a rate of return which equates the present value of anticipated net cash flow with the initial outlay. Ideally, IRR is equal to net present value is 0. Means what? At the rate of IRR, if you calculate the net present value, you will get the answer that is 0. Internal rate of return is compared with the desired rate of return. Higher internal rate of return compared to cost of capital is always preferable. IRR is equal to lower discount rate plus positive NPV upon positive NPV minus negative NPV into difference between two discount factor. Thus, you can calculate the internal rate of return. Thank you. Please follow link given in description for the evaluation.